What I am about to reveal about your car will change how you drive forever. Right now, you are destroying your car without even knowing it. That harmless habit you do every single day is killing expensive parts inside your vehicle. Mechanics see it all the time, drivers facing $5,000 repair bills for damage they caused themselves. And here's the scary part. There is a tiny metal pin inside your transmission about the size of your pinky finger. This pin holds your entire car's weight when you park. Every time you skip one simple step, you stress this pin to its breaking point. When it snaps, you are looking at $3,000 to $8,000 in repairs. Millions of drivers do this every single day without knowing. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which habits are killing your car. Habit number 1, shifting before you stop. You are backing out of your driveway. The car is still moving backward, and you throw the shifter into drive to save half a second. It feels smooth, nothing seems wrong. So you do it again tomorrow and the next day. But here is what is happening inside. Deep inside, your transmission metal parts are clashing violently every single time. When you shift from reverse to drive without stopping, the transmission must absorb your car's entire momentum. Internal clutches and bands crash against each other. This creates wear you cannot see or hear. Transmission rebuilds cost between $3,000 and $8,000, all to save a few seconds over the years. The fix is simple, just wait 1 second for the car to stop completely. But most drivers never learn this until they are sitting in a repair shop. Shifting without stopping destroys your transmission, but there is another habit even more common. Habit number 2, never using your parking brake. You pull into a parking spot on a hill, you shift into park and walk away. The car settles with a clunk sound. That sound is your entire vehicle's weight dropping onto one small metal pin. This pin is called the parking powel. It is about the size of your pinky finger, and it is holding back thousands of pounds. Every time you park without using the parking brake, you stress this tiny pin. On hills, the stress is even worse. The fix takes 2 seconds, just pull your parking brake before shifting to park. Parking brake repairs cost $150 to $300. Transmission repairs cost $3,000 to $8,000. You are skipping the cheap system to protect the expensive one. The math does not work. The parking pole mistake happens when parked, but the next habit destroys your car while driving. Habit number 3, resting your hand on the shifter. You are cruising down the highway. One hand on the wheel, the other resting on the gear shifter. It feels comfortable and natural, but inside, the transmission metal parts are grinding against each other. The weight of your hand pushes the shift fork against spinning parts. These parts are designed to touch only during gear changes. Your hand creates constant friction and heat. Over time, this wears out synchronizers and shift forks. Repairs cost $800 to $2,000. The fix is free. Keep your hand on the steering wheel or your leg. Your hand on the shifter causes slow damage, but the next habit destroys everything faster. Habit number 4, aggressive driving. The light turns green. You floor the gas pedal. The engine roars, and you rocket forward. It feels powerful and exciting. But here is what you are actually doing. You are creating damage throughout every major system in your car. Flooring the throttle forces the engine to work under maximum load. The transmission shifts under high stress. Hard braking warps your brake rotors and wears pads twice as fast. Studies show aggressive driving reduces vehicle lifespan by 15 to 25%. That means your car dies at 150,000 miles instead of 200,000. You are also burning 10 to 40% more fuel, so you pay more for gas while destroying your car faster. Aggressive driving kills multiple systems, but the next habit targets one expensive part. Habit number 5, riding the clutch. You are stopped at a red light in your manual car. Your foot rests on the clutch pedal, keeping it partially pressed. Inside the bell housing, your clutch disc and pressure plate are grinding together. They generate heat and wear out fast. This can reduce clutch life from 100,000 miles down to 30,000 miles. Clutch replacement costs $800 to $2,500. The fix is simple: shift to neutral and take your foot off the clutch at red lights. Riding the clutch destroys manual cars, but automatic drivers have their own killer habit. Habit number 6, running on empty. Your fuel gauge drops below a quarter tank. The warning light glows amber, but you keep driving figuring you will fill up later. Here is the problem. Your fuel pump sits inside the gas tank. Gasoline keeps it cool and lubricated. When fuel gets too low, the pump overheats and runs dry. It also sucks up dirt and sediment from the tank bottom. This destroys the pump and clogs your fuel injectors. Fuel pump replacement costs $400 to $1,200. The fix is easy fill up when you hit a quarter tank. Running on empty kills your fuel pump, but the next habit destroys your engine. Habit number 7, lugging the engine. You are driving 40 miles per hour in 6th gear. The engine sounds strained and vibrates. You think this saves fuel. It does not. Lugging means forcing the engine to work hard at low RPMs. This causes incomplete combustion and carbon buildup. It creates engine knock where fuel ignites at the wrong time. This can destroy pistons and cylinder walls. Engine rebuilds cost $5,000 to $8,000. The fix downshift when the engine sounds strained. Lugging destroys from inside, but the next habit destroys from outside. Habit number 8, hitting potholes hard. You see the pothole ahead, but you hit it at full speed anyway. The car jolts, but nothing breaks immediately, so you forget about it. But here is what happened inside. Your suspension took damage. Your wheel might be slightly bent. Your tire could have internal damage that will blow out later. Suspension repairs cost $1,500 to $4,000. The fix: slow down for potholes and speed bumps. Potholes destroy suspension, but the next habit destroys your tires silently. Habit number 9, ignoring tire pressure. When did you last check your tire pressure with a gauge? If you are like most drivers, it has been months. Underinflated tires wear on the edges and can blow out from heat. Overinflated tires wear in the center and reduce traction. Both reduce tire life by 20 to 40%. New tires cost $600 to $1,200. The fix: check pressure monthly with a $5 gauge. Tire pressure neglect is silent, but the final habit makes everything worse. Habit number 10, ignoring warning signs. Your check engine light comes on. The car still drives fine, so you ignore it. 2 months later, strange noises start. You turn up the radio and keep driving. 6 months later, your engine dies on the highway. The repair bill, $8,000. That ignored $150 sensor destroyed your $2,000 catalytic converter, which destroyed other parts in a chain reaction. Early fixes cost $200 to $500. Ignored problems cost $3,000 to $8,000. The fix: get warning lights checked immediately. Every habit on this list seems harmless until the repair bill arrives. Shifting without stopping feels smooth until your transmission fails. Skipping the parking brake saves 2 seconds until the pawl snaps. These habits cost nothing to fix, but they cost thousands when you ignore them. The average car costs over $48,000 in 2026. Most people cannot afford to replace their car early, yet they cut its lifespan from 250,000 miles down to 150,000. The difference between cars that last and cars that die early is not luck. It is knowledge and simple habit changes. You now know the habits killing your car early. The damage is real, but the fixes are simple. If this video saved you from thousands in repairs, subscribe and hit the bell. Which habit are you most guilty of? Drop it in the comments below.